Hey y'all, so the unit I'm gonna be rocking today is from Wiggins. They sent some goodies with the wig. This is the wig, but we'll get to that in a minute. Look at the lace on this unit. It's so HD, you guys, that my camera couldn't even focus on it. Like, I kept trying to get it to focus, and look at the knots. Like, look at the plucking, amazing. So this is the Ready and Go wig, loose deep wave. HD. It has an adjustable elastic band built in. I really love the construction of this cap. Really nice. I got mine in a medium. And this is a 7x4 lace closure, so I love that. So I'm just putting the unit on straight out the box so y'all can see what it looks like. And y'all see what this is giving straight out of the box. Like, look at this lace. Okay, Wiggins, y'all are on it. Y'all are on it. Definitely wear this straight out of the packaging, but I'm gonna do some customizations to mine and add some lace tinting spray just so that it matches my skin tone. And the lace wig is pre-cut, so you see I didn't cut anything. It comes like this. So I'm just gonna leave out my edges because I do have a low hairline, but the fact that this is already plucked, bleached, and you don't gotta cut it, it's bomb. So I'm gonna use the even spray, and look at it, y'all, it's already melting. Like, this wig is top tier. Like, this is definitely high on my list. Like, Wiggins, y'all just changed the game with this. It's amazing. Like, look how it's already laying, and I haven't even put the band on. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the band that they provided, and I'm just gonna put that on and let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes just so I can get a good like meltdown. It's like the longer you leave the band on, the better the meltdown. So I'm gonna take the band off, and I'm just cleaning up any excess spray, and look at how good it looks, you guys. And then I'm gonna apply some wax stick, and I'm just gonna flatten out the top a little bit more because I do have locks under my wig. And I'm gonna use my hot comb, and y'all, this wig just is too good. Like, look at it. Pretty much just comes already styled, but I just gotta be extra and go over it. But it is really doing it for me. Like, but I'm not even done because I'm still gonna put some foundation and stuff. So I'm gonna take some concealer, and I'm just gonna run that through the part so I can get a more precise part. And that's just what I'm doing. And then of course after that, I'm gonna take my black spray and I'm gonna spray it. I did do it a few times because I was trying to get my part perfect, and I didn't want my part to look really wide. I wanted my part to be like skinny, and it was too wide. So this is just me fixing it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my baby hairs with just some edge control, you guys. And I love this unit because it looks really natural with my baby hairs being left out. So you got a low hairline, leave your edges out, girl. It looks good, and it actually kind of gives you like a sew-in vibe more than a wig. So I be loving that. So I'm just gonna swoop that around, but you can definitely make some though. But I'm all done doing my makeup. I'm just gonna take some of my foundation and put it along the lace. Excuse the line, that's from me having a band on. Like, just excuse it, okay? But I'm just applying some wax stick throughout the hair just to control any frizz. But this hair didn't really frizz. I'm just being extra, y'all. And look at this lace. Like, I had to do a slow-mo so y'all could see how this is probably one of the best wigs I ever installed. Like, this is too good. Like, too good. Amazing. Sensational. The body on the hair, the color, the luster, this is just amazing. Like, it looks so good. So of course I got to hit the angles and show it to y'all in multiple angles, and just look at it how it laid. Beautiful. What it do, what it do, what it do, what it do. We back. We back. It's been a minute. I haven't been here in a minute. Yeah. Okay. So this is my first time back in the wig in a little minute. Took a break. As you guys know, this unit is from Wiggins Hair. This is their wear and go loose deep wave wig. It is HD lace, as y'all can see how it's sitting up on the head, looking real good. They sent me a 7x4 closure, which I love because I don't really like lace fronts. I don't like that all tacked down to my size. I wear them, but this is like more my speed, and it is in 24 inches. I love deep wave hair. It's like one of my favorite textures of hair, aside from like kinky curly and kinky straight. This right here is super bomb, super cute. Like I said, it is 24 inches if you like stretch it out. And they ate down on this lace. Like, it's literally wear and go. Now, I did tack mine down because I'm just not confident enough to just be throwing on a wig and run out unless I'm putting on a hat over it. Like, I'm not just going to be doing that. I have to tack down my wig just so that I feel secure and I don't have to like keep checking my hair while I'm out running errands or hanging out or whatever the case may be. So I had to tack mine down, but you definitely can put this on without tacking it down. And I showed y'all that in the previous clips. It really is wear and go. The lace is pre-cut. The lace is already cut, so you don't got to worry about doing no cutting, no styling. They already plucked it. They already bleached the knots. Now, I did add some lace tinting spray because I always add it just so it can match my skin tone. But they already cut the lace for you, bleached the knots, and they already plucked it. So it don't get no better than this. Like, if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do them steps, you can get this and you're going to be looking good, because literally all I did was put some wax stick on it and use my hot comb, and I'm in the building. Like, I'm literally in the building. Like, it's really just that simple. It already comes style. You can literally just take it out the box and put it on your head and go. You only got to do a few steps. That only going to take you less than 10 minutes. And it looks great. I did apply some foundation to the hairline. And y'all know I do have a, if you don't know, I need to stop acting like everybody know, but if you don't know, I do have a low hairline, so I like to wear my baby hairs out if I can with a unit. And so this unit I was able to, which I love. So I was just able to leave my hair out and like my edges out, and then I just put the wig a little bit back behind my hairline. And y'all see it's eating the girls up. It's eating the girls down. Like, I feel like this is one of the textures that looks really nice on me. Like, I don't like bone straight hair unless it's kinky straight. Like, I love a curl to some hair. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I haven't even been wearing wigs like I told y'all earlier. I literally haven't. And this is the first wig I've worn in a few months. And this is a good way to introduce myself back into wearing wigs, because this looks good. Like, this looks really good. Like, really good. Like, really good. Like, you need to get this unit. Like, y'all need to get this unit. This is definitely gonna be going in my stash, and it's literally giving scalp. Like, it just looks so cute. Like, I feel so good. Like, Wiggins, y'all did y'all big one. Wiggins Hair, I worked with them in the past and they always do come through with the good quality units, but y'all have changed the game with this, especially with like the construction of the unit and everything. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna give this unit a 10 out of 10, an A+. It is amazing. I absolutely love it. I would recommend anybody to go ahead and get this unit. Yes, like if you're looking for a deep wave wig for the winter, something easy to apply, get it. Like, honey, look at the scalp. Like, look at the scalp, look at the bounce of it all. Everything about this unit will be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and get you one. You guys check out Wiggins Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. This wig that I'm rocking will also be linked in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.